Assalamualaikum. Dear students, I am your science teacher for class 7. Open your science book, page number 22. Food chain. All living things need energy. They get their energy from food. So mostly the interaction between different kinds of organisms involve food. The series of links which join different organisms with each other is called a food chain. This process of transfer of energy from producers to consumers and then to decomposers is known as food chain. Producers. All animals and non-green plants depend upon this food. For this reason, the green plants are known as producers. Consumers. All animals in this universe directly or indirectly feed on plants and are called consumers. There are two types of consumers: primary consumers, secondary consumers. The animals which feed on the green plants directly are called herbivores. The herbivores are also known as primary consumers. Cow, goat, sheep, these are herbivores. Secondary consumers. The animals which feed on herbivores are called carnivores. The carnivores are also known as secondary consumers. Dog, lion, cat, tiger, these are carnivores. Decomposers. This process of rotting is called decomposition. Many fungi and bacteria help in the process of decomposition and are called decomposers. Food chain on land. Grass, sheep, lion. Sheep eats grass. Lion eats sheep. Second, grass, grasshopper, frog, snake. Grasshopper eats grass. Frog eats grasshopper. Snake eats frog. Grass, mouse, snake, hog. Mouse eats grass. Snake eats mouse. Hog eats snake. Food web. The biosphere usually contains many kinds of food chains. Many of these chains are interconnected by one or more species which occur in more than one food chain. These interconnected food chains constitute a food web. बायोस्फीयर में नेचुरली बहुत कम सिंपल फूड चेन पाए जाते हैं। एक बायोस्फीयर में कई तरह के फूड चेन्स होती हैं जो इंटरकनेक्टेड होकर फूड वेब बनाती हैं। फूड वेब में मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की फूड चेन से मिलकर बनती हैं। बैलेंस इन नेचर. You have learned that all living and non-living things are interdependent. Biotic community of a particular area depends upon the interaction of the living and non-living environments. It is found that removal of even one type of organism from the food chain will upset the whole balance in nature. We find that in nature all forms of life not only depend upon one another but also keep a check on all other forms of life. This is very much clear from the above cited example. This process is called balance in nature. तमाम लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड करते हैं। कोई भी कम्युनिटी दरअसल इसमें पाए जाने वाले इंटरेक्शन ऑर्गेनिज्म पर भी डिपेंड करती है। अगर इनमें से किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म को रिमूव कर दिया जाए तो नेचर के तमाम सिस्टम और ऑर्गेनिज्म भी अनबैलेंस हो जाएंगे। मसलन पीकॉक को किल करने की सूरत में स्नैक्स की तादाद टेम्परली बढ़ जाएगी। इस तरह पॉपुलेशन ऑफ फ्रॉग कम हो जाएगी क्योंकि अब स्नैक्स ज़्यादा तादाद में होने की वजह से फ्रॉग को ज़्यादा शिकार करेंगे, मगर इस तरह फ्रॉग बहुत कम रह जाएंगे जिस वजह से हमारी ग्रास हॉपर की पॉपुलेशन में इजाफा हो जाएगा। और ये हर्बीवोरस होने की वजह से हमारी क्रॉप्स और फील्ड्स को बहुत डैमेज करते हैं और नेचुरली इस सिस्टम का इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस भी डिस्टर्ब होता है। इस तमाम डिस्कशन से जाहिर होता है कि नेचर में पाए जाने वाले तमाम ऑर्गेनिज्म हर सूरत में एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड करते हैं। रोल ऑफ मैन इन द बायोस्फीयर। Man has always been disturbing the biosphere for his personal benefits and profits. Some important activities of man which have resulted in an imbalance in nature are discussed in this unit. इंसान हमेशा अपने फ़ायदे के लिए बायोस्फीयर में डिस्टर्बेंस या पेचीदगियाँ पैदा करता है। अब मैं इन पेचीदगियों के बारे में आपको बताती हूँ। नंबर 1 डिफॉरेस्टेशन, Number 2 hunting of animals, Number 3 overpopulation. Deforestation means
man destroyed the forest for timber, fiber, wood and for industrial and agricultural use. As a result, certain varieties of birds, insects, snakes, tiger and deers lost their habitat and migrated to other places.
जंगलात को नुकसान पहुंचाकर लकड़ी, टिम्बर और फाइबर हासिल करना। Hunting of animals
means man killed animals for sport, recreation, food and for their skin. The population of lion, tiger, elephants, stags, blackbird decreased on account of hunting.
जानवरों का शिकार करना। Overpopulation
means the increase in human population has also disturbed the balance of nature.
बढ़ती हुई आबादी। ये तमाम चीज़ें नेचर को अनबैलेंस करने में असरअंदाज होती हैं। ओपन योर साइंस जर्नल। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 in the previous lecture. Now we are starting from question number 5. What is a food chain? Answer: food chain, the series of links which join different organisms with each other, is called a food chain. Make a chart of food chain
Species
which occur in more than one food chain. These interconnected food chains constitute a food web. This is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework and submit it on coming Saturday. Of question number 5. Question number 6. What do you understand by food web? Answer: food web. The biosphere usually contains many kinds of food chains. Many of these chains are interconnected by one or more